Lesson 2, Competitor Analysis. So why should we not ignore this lesson? Competitor analysis is paramount when it comes to Instagram strategy. All the work is done for us. It really cuts down on our research time. It allows us to create swipe files very quickly, and our target audience is easily identified. This is arguably the most important part of the process. Finding someone in your local market that is just smashing it and hijacking the elements of their campaign that we can repurpose in our own style. All right, so what is the process here, guys? Again, well, first of all, we are going to find a local realtor in our market who is just absolutely smashing it. They have maybe 10,000 followers or more. Their audience is engaged, they're making sales, and we're going to follow them and we're going to analyze them and we're going to see what they're doing. And then we're going to borrow their winning ways. We're going to look and see if there's any low hanging fruit that we can use to rebrand and make our own. All right, how are we going to find these local realtors on Instagram? Well, there's actually a couple easy ways we can find them. You can do a basic search. This is probably the best way. You just head over to Instagram, type in your local market plus real estate, and see who pops up. You can also search by location tag. So let's say I'm in the San Diego market. I can click on the San Diego geo tag and I can find posts that'll come up that way. All you have to do is find a post that has that geo tag, click on that geo tag, and now you're seeing all the posts that come up in that location. You can also just do a Google search, guys. Do a search for your market plus realtor. Look at their website, usually in the footer or the bottom of their website. They're going to have an Instagram icon there. You can click there and follow them there. You could do a search for San Diego real estate and see what realtors come up that way. All right, now let's take a closer look at some pro tips to take this to the next level. All right, so what we want to do here is we want to add some of these realtors as close friends. This is an amazing secret tip here that I use all the time. And you have to do this on mobile. It's pretty easy to do once you know how to do it. So all you do is find a realtor you want to add to your list. You click the follow button, and then you click it again. This little menu slides up and you hit that top option, add to close friends list. Very simple. And as Sun Tzu said in the awesome book, The Art of War, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. That's a great way to do it, guys. Add them as close friends. And then you can even get notified when they post. So you can click that bell icon. You can open up the notifications. And now you are going to see when they post. And you can even be the first person there to comment or engage with it. And that's a good way to get followers as well, which we'll discuss down the road. So the next step here is scouting. After you have found this realtor, you've added them as a close friend. Now you want to start looking through their account and seeing what they're doing that's working well. What reels are getting a lot of views, what stories are getting a lot of views, what carousels can we easily replicate, what hashtags are they using that we can swipe and add to our arsenal. So here's the action plan for this lesson, guys. Repeat this process 5 to 10 times a day, especially if your account is new. After you've added maybe 25, 50 realtors in your local market as close friends, you're going to have tons and tons of inspiration there, all you'll ever need. Awesome job, guys. That was amazing. So now let's take a closer look at some hashtags we can use in the next lesson.